In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Xero error code 400 quickly and easily. If you're seeing a 400 error when trying to log in or connect your Xero account, don't worry, this is a very common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by a browser session problem or an expired security token. I'll walk you through the exact steps to resolve it so you can get back into your Xero account without stress. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the final reauthorization step, which is often the real fix. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software troubleshooting guides. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is bypass any saved bookmarks. A lot of users run into the 400 error because they're clicking on an old or cached login link saved in their browser. Instead of using a bookmark, go directly to your browser's address bar and manually type login.xero.com, then press enter. This ensures you're accessing the most up-to-date login endpoint directly from Xero servers. Once the page loads, try signing in again. If the error was caused by a bad redirect or outdated bookmark session, this alone may solve the issue. If you're still seeing Xero error code 400, the next step is to clear your browser cookies specifically for Xero. This is very important because the 400 error often happens when corrupted or expired cookies are stored in your browser. To do this, look at the address bar while you're on the Xero website and click the lock icon next to the URL. From the menu that appears, select Cookies and Site Data, then click on Manage On-Device Site Data. You'll see stored data related to different domains. Find Xero.com in the list and click the bin or trash icon next to it to delete those cookies. Make sure all Xero-related entries are removed. Once you've cleared them, close the tab completely, open a new tab, and again, manually type login.xero.com to attempt a fresh login. Clearing cookies forces your browser to create a brand new session with Xero servers. In many cases, this immediately resolves the 400 error because you're no longer using an expired or corrupted authentication session. Now, if you're using Xero with a third-party integration, for example, a CRM, payroll system, or another financial tool, the 400 error can also mean that your security token has expired and failed to refresh automatically. In that case, you'll need to reauthorize the connection. To do this, log into the external app that's connected to Xero. Go to its integration or connected account section and disconnect Xero completely. After disconnecting, reconnect the integration by signing back into Xero when prompted and granting permissions again. This refreshes the authentication token and establishes a new secure connection. In many situations, this step is the permanent fix, especially if the error keeps returning. After completing these steps, bypassing bookmarks, clearing cookies, and reauthorizing integrations, try logging into Xero once more. The error code 400 should now be resolved and your account should load normally. So just to quickly recap, manually type login.xero.com instead of using bookmarks, clear your Xero cookies using the lock icon and site data settings, and if needed, disconnect and reconnect any Xero integrations to refresh expired security tokens. These steps solve the vast majority of Xero 400 errors. I hope this helped you fix the issue quickly. If it did, go ahead and hit the like button so more people can find this guide. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective software troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.